Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to equip and use emotes in Marvel Rivals. All right. First up, go ahead and go to your heroes right here. Now just go ahead and select one. As by default, every hero or character has its own emotes and sprays. All right. And here, just got to click on cosmetics, and under emotes right here, as you can see, we have one. Now, if you do have multiple emotes right here, just go ahead and use them. All right. If you want to acquire them, just go ahead and do so. And it will cost you some units. Okay. Now that we know that we have equipped an emote, just go ahead and try it. Go to practice right here. Maybe a practice range. All right. Let's go ahead and just pick up one character or hero. Now, to be able to use it or to be able to emote, just go ahead and tap and hold on T on your keyboard. Tap and hold. And as you can see here, we have one spray and one emote. All right. Again, press and hold T, then use your mouse, all right, to scroll through these items right here. Now make sure that the emote is highlighted. Once done, go ahead and release the T key on your keyboard. Release it, and there you have it. All right, again, press and hold T, use your mouse to hover, highlight the particular emote, then release T. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.